Hey everyone, this is Lukus Matoon with Seekins Precision, the director of the custom shop. And so what I want to do today is be able to show you how to install the UBM. So this is your Universal Bipod Mount to be able to use Atlas or Harris style bipods all in one. Okay, and so what you need for the job is a 13/64 drill bit and a 5/32 Allen key, 2 screws and 2 T-nuts. So what we're going to do is we already have our pre-existing screw hole from our swivel stud that we would traditionally move off of a rifle. I'm going to go ahead and lay this down and be able to see where exactly I need that second hole to be located so that I have enough clearance from my QD that's molded into the stock. Take my Sharpie and I'm going to go ahead and mark my center point. And then from there, I'm going to remove this, and you can see the witness mark here. We'll use our 13/64 drill, and we're just going to get that lined up on center, and then drill our hole. And so this is clearanced. Okay, wipe off the chips. All right, that looks good. So now we can install our first bolt. We'll locate up here, and we take our T-nut, put it on the back side, get that guy located in, and then we just start to tighten this down. So I'm going to leave this a little loose so that way I can adjust and make sure that it's on center. Here you can see the T-nut installed on the inside. Now we're going to go ahead and install our other T-nut, and so we'll just drop the screw in, get that guy started, and then put our T-nut inside of the stock, and then we can be able to just thread that in place. All right, now with these slightly loose, I'm going to double check for alignment to make sure that I'm centered and square. And so with this, everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead, tighten these down, make sure that they aren't going to walk on me. And then from there, our install is complete. So it's really easy to do. It's a great accessory to put on any of your Havoc rifles. This gives you a great option to have a universal bipod mount in your guns. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.